Simple Present Tense Affirmative, brought to you by ESL for You. Let's get started. When to add s, es, or ies to the verb. Please repeat slowly. I watch TV every day. I watch. He watches TV every day. He watches. We run twice a week. We run. She runs twice a week. She runs. You like English. You like. She likes English. She likes. They study English every Sunday. They study. He studies English. He studies. All of you read. You read. It reads. It reads. For regular verbs, simply add s for he, she, and it. For example, I, you, we, they run, he, she, it runs. I, you, we, they play, he, she, it plays. I, you, we, they eat, he, she, it eats. Add es for special endings. For example, watch, watches, fix, fixes, go, goes, kiss, kisses. Change y to ies. Study, studies. Try, tries. Cry, cries. Play, simply s, plays. Say, says. Alright, now you have all the rules and everything you need for the present simple affirmative. Please like, share, follow, and subscribe for more content. Good luck in your English studies.